Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Doing an update on AUD, USD, and USD CAD. It's the last one I'm gonna do. Market's closed. Weekend is here. We're looking at a still market, but I'm in the trade. So as y'all can see, the trade has fallen. Let's take a, y'all already know what happened. Did update that entry video, the update, and the update after the update. So there's no need for me to use the drawing tools, nothing like that. Y'all see my entry here. I told y'all when the entry happened. Here, here it shot down. No, excuse me. It shot up. It shot down. It shot back up. It shot back down. It shot back up, and been a good trade. And it broke the low. Or it broke the low. I see when it initially broke the low, retested, shot up, came back down, retested, and broke out, broke the low again, and it's gonna pull back and breaking this low a little bit more sometime next week. Or it may come out here and retest this area here. This would be the area it may retest. It may come all the way back to this area here and then shoot down. It may, or it may just might go here. It may just go here in this area here, bounce here and shoot the hell down. It's a possibility. That is a possibility. But as y'all can see, winning this trade magnificently. Let's get all this off here. We're gonna do a check on AU. And there's AU. Shot up pretty good. This is a trade I entered here, shot down, came close to price, came down, and broke all the way out to the upside. Very good trade. Very good trade. I'm making some very good trades, y'all. Y'all can see it. Very good trade. Like I told y'all before, I wish I'd got in down here. Just wish I would have. Just that just didn't happen. So I'm all right. But it's going up. And I expected to come back and try to reduce some retesting. On the price it could retest it's there, the old high. Or possibly come down to yeah. So that'll be the area of a test area. If it breaks through all that and really come test this price, because there are entries at this price, we can retest this price here. This price here, 76.60. And come back all the way there and then shoot off again. But I'm really expecting it to retest. So, yeah, retest this price here, somewhere in the 7,800 to 706 range. If it do decide to come back for a retest. Let's take a look at, let's see if we see anything else that could really give us a real indication where it's going to go. Ooh, this thing been going up, y'all. I can't even see the line I drew. It's April of last year. So, to let you know, this market ain't been nowhere near that area since last year. At least before the pandemic came around. But that's where it's at. And there's the other area right there. There we go. That'd be the area. That would be the area. If you want to decide to come back out and to come here, hit this area, and this will be your buy area. For you buyers that want to stay in the market and stay on the buy side of this trade, this will be your buy area. You may get some drawdown. So you possibly can wait till it draw down on you, then let it take all the way off. But that's gonna be the trade that's coming up next week sometime, or possibly the week after that. Yeah, this is going on. I'm gonna get this off the chart. As you can see, the entries are good, the trades are good. I'm not making this stuff up. It's still alive. I haven't put no more money in my account. I've been trading this money since last year. So just gonna continue to let this thing rock and roll, and when I get done, I'm gonna get to a number, and I'll show y'all the number. I will show y'all the number. I'm just waiting to get to the number. I'll show y'all the number once I get there. Until then, now let's check it out. Yo.